One of the biggest roadblocks for new digital product creators is design. You need professional looking graphics for your ebooks, courses, sales pages, and social media, but you're not a designer. You don't know Photoshop, and you definitely don't have the budget to hire a graphic designer for every little thing. Here's the good news. You don't need design skills anymore. With AI-powered tools, anyone can create stunning professional graphics in minutes. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. The tool that changed everything for non-designers is Canva. If you haven't used it yet, Canva is a free design platform that makes creating graphics as easy as dragging and dropping. It has thousands of templates for every type of design you can imagine. Ebook covers, social media posts, presentation slides, flyers, business cards, you name it. But what makes Canva truly powerful is its AI features. Let me walk you through exactly how to use Canva to create professional graphics without any design experience. Step 1 is to choose the right template. When you open Canva, you'll see a search bar. Type in what you need: ebook cover, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail. Whatever it is, Canva will show you hundreds of pre-designed templates. These aren't basic templates. They're professionally designed layouts created by real designers. All you have to do is pick one that matches your style and customize it. Step 2 is to customize the text. Click on any text in the template and replace it with your own. Canva makes it easy to change fonts, sizes, and colors. If you're not sure which fonts to use, Canva's AI will suggest font pairings that look good together. You don't have to guess. It's all done for you. Step 3 is to replace the images. Most templates come with stock photos, but you'll want to use your own images or find better ones. Canva has a massive library of free stock photos built in. Just search for a keyword and Canva will show you thousands of options. You can also upload your own photos. And here's where the AI magic happens. Canva has a background remover tool that lets you remove the background from any image with one click. This is a feature that used to require Photoshop skills, but now it's automatic. Step 4 is to adjust the colors. If you have brand colors, you can apply them to your design with one click. If you don't have brand colors, Canva's AI can suggest color palettes that work well together. You can preview different color schemes instantly and pick the one that feels right. Step 5 is to add elements and icons. Canva has millions of design elements you can add to your graphics: icons, shapes, lines, stickers, illustrations. You can search for anything and drag it onto your design. The AI even suggests elements that match your design style. And step 6 is to export your design. Once you're happy with your graphic, just click download. Canva lets you export as PNG, JPG, or PDF. If you're creating something for print, you can even export as a high-resolution file. Now let me show you some specific examples of what you can create with Canva. Ebook covers. Pick an ebook cover template, replace the title with your book's title, change the colors to match your brand, add your name, and you're done. Professional ebook cover in 5 minutes. Course slides. Canva has presentation templates specifically designed for online courses. You can create an entire slide deck in an hour. Everything is already laid out. You just add your content. Social media graphics. Need a quote graphic for Instagram, a promotional post for Facebook, a YouTube thumbnail? Canva has templates for every platform, and they're already sized correctly. No more guessing about dimensions. Lead magnet designs. If you're creating a checklist, a guide, or a workbook as a lead magnet, Canva has templates for that too. You can make your freebie look just as professional as a paid product. Sales page graphics. Banners, headers, icons, comparison charts. All of it can be created in Canva without hiring a designer. Here's what I love about this. You don't need to start from scratch. You don't need to understand design principles. You don't need to spend hours tweaking every little detail. The templates do most of the work for you. You just customize them to fit your brand. And if you're worried about your designs looking like everyone else's because you're using templates, don't be. There are so many templates to choose from, and once you customize the colors, fonts, and images, your design will be unique. Here's the other big advantage of Canva. It has a brand kit feature. Once you set up your brand colors, fonts, and logos, Canva remembers them. Every time you create a new design, you can apply your brand kit with one click. This keeps all your graphics consistent, which makes your business look more professional. Now let me address the elephant in the room. Is Canva really free? Yes, the free version is powerful enough for most beginners. You get access to thousands of templates, stock photos, and design elements. The paid version, Canva Pro, unlocks even more features like the background remover, brand kits, and additional templates. It's about $13 a month, which is a steal compared to hiring a designer. If you're serious about creating digital products, I'd recommend upgrading to Canva Pro, but you can absolutely start with the free version and upgrade later when your business grows. So here's what I want you to do. Go sign up for Canva right now if you haven't already. Pick one thing you need to create, an ebook cover, a social media post, a course slide, spend 15 minutes playing around with the templates. I guarantee you'll be amazed at what you can create in such a short time. And if you want to see detailed tutorials on how to use Canva for every type of digital product graphic, including advanced tips and tricks that make your designs look even more professional, I've put together a complete training that walks you through everything. Click the link in the description to watch it now. You don't need to be a designer to create professional graphics. You just need the right tools. Canva is that tool.